is going on, everyone? Jeremy Ritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. I hope you are having a phenomenal day. And woo, what a day. What a day in the markets. Hot damn. Bulls. Woo. Wow. I mean, nobody saw that coming. Nobody saw that coming. I didn't see it coming. I'm marking out, all right, 10% correction levels down by the 200 SMA. I'm planning out, all right, if we drop down, if we get 20%, here's where we go. And then we were seeing presented to us via the media that there was going to be an attack on Cargo Island this evening from the United States on Iran, that there was escalation and all hell was breaking loose. And then all of a sudden, there is a framework, a memorandum of understanding that has been agreed upon, although we don't have any concrete confirmation of this. We got to clarify that. And that news hits and boom, ripper. And whether or not it's true, the market didn't care because things just took off like crazy. And it was something to behold, the move. And I'd love to sit here and tell you that I caught it in my trading skill, my trading acumen, but I didn't. I mean, it's really hard to catch that type of a move, although I did grab a little bit of Microsoft whenever it filled its gap and was able to ride that for a nice profit on top of a GLW scalp today. So that was nice. And this comes after getting my ass handed to me yesterday, trying to relief bounce SMCI higher, and I just got smoked. So that happens. But anyway, good response by the bulls. And I'll say this, the one of the things we've been talking about here on the channel is inflation and inflationary pressures and what that means for interest rates, how we had interest rate hikes being priced in for December, one for January, one for March of 2027. If the war is in fact going to come to a close, if this is it, then that is going to slow down inflation. It's going to drop it. You're not going to have the pushes on energy prices, and that's eventually going to trickle into the data, the CPI, the PPI, and that eventually could make the case for starting with pausing and holding rates where they are, and eventually, if inflation is going to come down now, rate cuts, which creates a completely different environment than the one that we've been talking about here as of late. So again, it's amazing. The market is, and I was saying this in the Discord community today, it's a soap opera. The market is a soap opera, and every day the narrative changes, the narrative turns, and you got to be able to pivot, and you've got to be able to flip. And today was one of those days where there were probably so many people positioned short today that just got absolutely smoked, that just loaded up on puts with a directional bet or with a short position and literally got obliterated. And that's what makes the markets fun. There are opportunities every single day when it comes to day trading. And let's see where we go from here. And oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow is also a massive, massive day because SpaceX is going to be IPOing. That's huge. And I can't wait. I haven't spent a full day in front of the charts trading, monitoring things in a long, long time. I will be in front of the computer all day tomorrow, and probably even 30 minutes after close, just because I want to see how everything plays out. Got my hair cut. It's sticking up a little bit right now. I feel good after I get my hair cut. But yeah, tomorrow's going to be great. The opening price for SpaceX is supposed to be $135. I'm sure that is going to blast off at open. We'll see how the price jumps, hops, skips, runs, dives, backflips. It's gonna be doing some crazy things, and it's gonna make for a lot of fun tomorrow. And it's gonna be historical. It's the biggest IPO ever, and I can't wait to see what happens. I'm sure you guys feel the same way. And just a few other things here to close up this episode. Just kind of looking ahead to next week, we get Kevin Warsh's new Fed chair. Man, I'm going to miss Papa P, man. I am going to miss Jerome. But I can't wait to see what Kevin does and see Kevin spin on things. I got to come up with a name for Kevin, because there was Papa P, now it's just Kevin. What am I going to call him? I don't know. But anyway, we get the Fed meeting. We get Kevin Warsh's first presser. We get to see if he's hawkish. We get to see if he's dovish. We get to see how the market's going to react to his presser at 2:30 next Wednesday. I will be live streaming that. I can't wait for that. It's going to be awesome. And we don't get MU next week. That's 2 weeks out. And that's all I got for you. And I will close with this. Guys, Monday next week, Sultans of Swing Trading. My latest free course, Let Me Teach You How to Swing Trade. I would love for you to be a part of it. 4 nights over 2 weeks. The session started at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Will probably run no longer than an hour. Every session will be recorded. You can register by clicking the link in the description below. Share it with your family and friends. I would love to have you there to teach you swing trading. It's going to be a lot of fun. And that's going to do it for this episode of Driven. Life is good, ladies and gentlemen. We are so lucky, so fortunate to be alive and to experience the world, right? So let's go out there and let's do something good, whatever that might be. And here's one more call to action. When you get done watching this video, just go tell somebody, you know what? I appreciate you. I love you. Just put that extra little jolt of kindness out into the world. All right? I'm going to check in with you to make sure you did that next time I see you guys. And with that, make it a great day. Honor the moment. And most importantly, be grateful. Take care, everyone.